Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I am going back to my home from my office, and so I am on the Karandi Kunj bridge, and you can see all the traffic on this bridge. So यहाँ पे जो major traffic का जो issue है, उसका reason है यहाँ पे जो trucks park होते हैं, and I think they are waiting for their turn to enter Delhi area, probably Delhi. And also एक और reason यहाँ पे है जो कि ये side pathway है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे शॉपकीपर्स यहाँ पे दे आर सेलिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दे आर सेलिंग देयर थिंग्स, सो दैट इज़ अनदर प्रॉब्लम हेयर, नोइंग द फैक्ट दैट यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक इतना ज़्यादा फ्लो होता है. सो आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट शुड लुक इनटू दीज चैलेंजेस एंड दे शुड आल्सो टेक ऑफ ऑल दीज शॉपकीपर्स फ्रॉम द रोड. एंड यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़ी ये है कि फ्रॉम दिस स्पेसिफिक साइड यहाँ से इज अ डाइवर्जन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड विच इज़ बेसिकली फॉर द MCD टोल. एंड यू लुक एट दिस कंडीशन, आई मीन दिस टोल इज़ आई वुड से bottleneck for the traffic, because यहाँ पे all the trucks are there and they are like paying their tolls. So I think government should definitely look at these challenges and take care of these challenges, especially considering the fact कि जिन लोगों को फरीदाबाद जाना होता है from this road, they should not even wait here for the red lights because left turn is free. So they also get stuck in this traffic because left side से अगर देखेंगे यहाँ से भी ट्रैफिक आ रहा है from other side of the road. And उसके अलावा look at this, I mean, I have to go to Faridabad, but I cannot take a left turn. It's all like jam-packed. So I would urge the authorities to please look at these challenges. I think ये रोज़ का ही challenge है एक बहुत बड़ा for all the commuters from Delhi, in fact Delhi to Noida, in fact, and also way back from Noida to Delhi. So this is a big problem for all of the commuters, and it's like wasting almost 30 minutes every day while being stuck here on the roads. So guys, I just wanted to showcase to you. I know आप में से बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ से travel करते होंगे, and you can see a lot of people stuck here. The bikers are here. So I would urge the government, I would request the government to please look into the issues. I'm sure बहुत सारे YouTubers ने इसके लिए already post किया होगा, but since I'm new to this YouTube platform, I wanted to also reiterate the same thing. So just wait and see if government is taking any action and they have any plans to take care of this traffic situation. All right, so आज के लिए I think I have this only. I wanted to quickly shoot this small video and showcase to all of you because it's a common problem for all of us. So all right, so thank you all, thank you, and have a great evening. Bye bye.